We are going to do an activity about circulation of blood in the body, in which oxygen will be shown with the help of these, carbon dioxide with the help of these, nutrients or digested food with the help of these, and urea or nitrogenous waste with the help of these. We will be moving these materials on a chart to show and to understand how the blood is flowing through the body. Friends, let us talk about how things get transported from one place to another in our body. Suppose you have a wound in your leg. So it is possible that the medicine is given to you with an injection on your arm. So how does the medicine reach from the arm to your leg? That is the question. Similarly, if you drink water from your mouth and if you sweat, the water appears all over your skin in every part of your body. So how does the water reach your skin everywhere? So who is transporting all these materials throughout our body? The answer is blood. But how does the blood move through our body? If we prick us anywhere, then blood appears in every section of our skin. So is our body a bag of blood? No, actually blood moves through this piping system, which we call as a circulatory system, and is pumped through a pump called the heart. So this piping system takes the blood through from the heart to all parts of the body and brings it back again. The pipes which take it away from the heart are called arteries, and the blood here contains oxygen and is bright red in color. So it is customary to show arteries with red color. Then arteries get subdivided into many channels, and till they become capillaries, which are very thin, so thin that we cannot see with the naked eye. And then these capillaries distribute everything that the blood has to distribute, also collect wastes, and all these capillaries join together and take it back to veins. When it reaches veins, the blood becomes darker red in color, where it has lost its oxygen, and then it goes back to the heart. It is customary to show veins with blue color. Can we feel the blood coming from the heart as a pump? Because the heart is constantly pushing it. Yes. We have very few arteries on the surface, but one of them is here on our wrist. If you put your fingers, you can feel the dhak sound, and if you count it, it is roughly 70 times in a minute. But if you get into brisk activity or exercise, the heartbeat rises. It can reach 80, 90, 100 or even more than 100, because heart has to bring now a lot of nutrition and oxygen for your body to generate more energy. So here we are showing how the circulatory system interacts with the lungs and exchanges the gases. Oxygen is taken and carbon dioxide is given out. Here is the excretory system, which filters out urea and water from the blood. Here a whole lot of tissues and cells and organs are shown. So the blood distributes nutrition, oxygen to them and collects waste materials. And here it is shown that the intestines are giving nutrients or digested food to the blood. So major systems all interact with the blood. Here we can see that it is a double circuit. The heart has 4 chambers. 2 upper ones are actually collection chambers, and 2 lower ones are pumping chambers with thick walls. Now one of this circuit is the one which goes through the lungs and collects oxygen. The other circuit is the one which goes through the rest of the body and comes back again to the heart. So this is shown in a diagram here, a simple diagram. The heart is shown as 4 boxes. The upper 2 boxes are the collection chambers. The lower 2 boxes are the pumping chambers, and there are valves in between which are like doors, which open only on one side and do not allow the blood to go back or push back. They don't allow the blood to go backwards. and these pumping chambers actually distribute or push the blood in the two circuits. So we will now do an activity through which we will understand this whole thing. This activity, we are showing blood with the help of a small piece of paper which starts from the lung, collecting oxygen from here and becoming oxygenated. Then it goes to the heart's first chamber or the collection chamber, where it gets collected and the valve does not open till the chamber is filled up. Now the valve opens and allows the blood to goes to the chamber below, which is the pumping chamber. The valve closes to prevent the backflow of blood. Now this chamber 2 or pumping chamber pumps the blood to the rest of the body, where it passes through many organs. When it passes through the small intestine, it collects the digested food or nutrition here, and then it goes to other organs distributing all this. So here all other organs have been shown by one box, where the blood is distributing the nutrition as well as oxygen. In return, the blood collects the waste, urea, as well as the carbon dioxide. Now, and this blood has become deoxygenated while going through this process. This deoxygenated waste carrying blood now starts on its backward journey. Somewhere wherever it passes through kidneys, the urea is taken out, urea and excess water, and the deoxygenated blood through veins goes back to the heart once again on another collection chamber, chamber 3. Here again the valve prevents its flow till the chamber is filled up. Then the valve opens, the blood goes to the next chamber or the pumping chamber, valve closes to prevent backflow in this direction, and now it is pumped to the lungs, where it passes through, it goes and in the lungs gives the carbon dioxide and receives oxygen to become oxygenated again. So this way the whole circuit or path of the blood has been shown here. Here two things that need to be remembered is that it is not that a single path takes the blood through all organs. After going through the main artery, it divides into many channels going through various organs. Here for convenience we are showing a single path. Second is, this whole diagram can be drawn on the ground with chalk in a classroom. Children can become blood, and at various stations they can receive and give materials, which can be shown with the help of colored ribbons, colored paper, or any other such material. But the activity clarifies the whole flow or circulation of blood as well as its major exchanges of material.